Today I'm going to show you how to log into Google Chrome. This is awesome because once you log into Google Chrome on your device, you will be able to go to all of your bookmarks, which will help you get to your assignments and things that you need to get to. So when I open up Google Chrome, I'll notice up here in the top right, it says guest, or it might say your name or your parent's name or a sibling's name. Well, we need this to say your name. So to do that, I click on it and I come down and I tell it I want to add somebody. When I tell it to add, it wants to know a name, and then I get to pick a little symbol and I tell it add. Now you'll notice right here it says create a desktop shortcut for this user. That means it's going to make something on your desktop that you can click on next time, so it'll be easier to get to your stuff. Now I'm going to tell it add, and it says, oh, make Chrome your own. Well, we already have an account through Columbia County, so we come down here, already a Chrome user, sign in. Now it's going to ask us for our email. Now this is probably the hardest part of the whole thing that we're going to do today, but we can do it. So what it wants us to do is enter our username, which for most of us in Columbia County as students is our first name and our last name at columbiak12.com. So it's real important that you put your first and last name together, no spaces, don't worry about capitals or anything like that, at columbiak12.com. Next, it's going to ask for our password. Our password is usually our 1200 number. And if you cannot remember that, if you get with your teacher, they can let you know what it is. It'll ask now, do we want to link data? Yes, we want to link because that's where it's going to go get all of our good bookmarks and things. And it wants to know too if we want to turn on sync, and yes, we want to turn on sync. A couple things will pop up like ad block, clear the cache, and that's just fine. Those are just some things that the district has added, so I'm just going to close them out. And now when I look at my desktop, I see over here, here's my picture. I'm logged in, and look, here's all of my bookmarks, which is super awesome. So now I can get started. I can go to Google Classroom, Renaissance, iReady, wherever I need to go. I'm good to go. Have fun!